Maya found one too, smelling like fresh rain and clover.
Oh my goodness, a real invitation! This is brilliant! Thank you, little bird.
The friends gathered, following the instructions on their cards.
Did you guys get invited to the Earth's birthday too?
They entered a magical realm where nature spoke in colors.
Look! The path is made of colorful pebbles.
The water looks so clear and blue here.
But when they arrived at the party, Mother Earth didn't look well.
Leo was the first to ask the question everyone was thinking.
Mother Earth, what's wrong? Are you sick?
I am feeling a bit heavy and breathless today, children.
Even the plants look thirsty and sad.
Too much smoke and too much waste make me feel very ill.
The pollution from the world was making her sick.
Leo decided it was time to take action. We can't have a birthday party if you're sick. Let's help.
The children realized their real gifts were yet to come.
We brought gifts, but we should give you what you really need.
First, let's clear the air. Go, clean wind.
Leo used his gift of clean air to push back the smog. With a gust of clean air, the sky began to sparkle again.
Grow big and strong, little ones. We need your shade.
No more trash! The fish need clean water to swim in.
Sam's gift was clean water, removing the waste that choked the rivers.
The water sparkled like diamonds once the trash was gone. I feel so much lighter. The air is sweet and the water is pure.
We have one more gift for you, Mother Earth.
This is our promise of kindness. We will take care of you every day.
The promise of the children was the medicine she needed most. Your kindness is the greatest. With Mother Earth healthy again, it was time to celebrate.
Now, let the party really begin. Gotcha! You're it, Squeaky! Try and catch me now!
We should always remember to keep things this clean back home, too. Sharing with nature is part of the gift.
Look at the colors! Earth is truly happy now!
The world was vibrant and full of life once more. Thank you, my little guardians. Always remember your gifts. She gave them a special title, Guardians of the Earth.
Let's go tell everyone how to keep Earth healthy.
It's easy. Just put your bottles in here instead of the ground.
Leo taught his neighbors about recycling.
That's right. Now we cover the roots completely. Use the shovel to push the soil back in. Then we pat it down firmly.
We have to keep our water clean for the fish. This poster will remind everyone in the park.
Because when we care for our home, every day is Earth's birthday.
Happy Earth Day, everyone! Let's keep our home beautiful together!